everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And we've been busy again this week. Saturday, I actually spent the whole day working on my garden plan, drawing it out, making sure I have all the equipment I needed, and ordering what I needed. And he worked out in the garage. So this is my plan for the different gardens. I did the different beds, outside beds. Okay, what I did was I drew out to scale all the garden plans. This is the high greenhouse and what I plan on putting in it. I did the same thing with the overall of the whole garden plan. Did the slow greenhouse. Did the outdoor beds and the other outdoor beds. So I've got all those done. And I ordered some things that I wanted to get. On Sunday we went to church that morning, and in the afternoon I finished the garden plans. And then we went back to church to watch the first half of the Super Bowl and for the chili cook-off. And we didn't stay for the whole first half even. I still had to take care of the chickens and the puppy or the dog, and so we left a little bit early. But it was a good time. We had fun. Never have found out who won the chili cook-off yet. Hopefully we'll announce it this Sunday. Usually they put it in the Facebook, but they didn't do it this year. On Monday, the other plumbing company came and to give us an estimate on this other project that we're working on. We want to add another sump pump. And they also, we had some people come and help carry that old couch that we had in the basement. This couch has been all over the house. It's the very first one we bought. It was upstairs in the apartment above the garage. It was up there for the longest time. And then when we moved into this part of the house, it got moved back down to the basement where it became a guest bedroom, and we also had it down there in case we had to go down there for storms and stuff like that. The kids could pull it out and they could sleep while we wait out the storm. But since the kids are now grown and we don't need the sofa down there, and it was also waterlogged from the time the basement got flooded. We'd already lost all the cushions to it, so all it was a basic frame. So anyway, we've got that carried up and out of the way. So that was something we've been wanting to do for a long time. And then I started my pepper seeds. I started peppers and some kale.
Someone was detected at your back door.
I started some peppers and some kale and some Swiss chard, along with taking the impatiens and the petunias off the heating mat. On Tuesday, we went over to Brownstown to talk to RMC, and then we came back home, took care of the animals, and then we went to Seymour, picked up some sawdust, and then we took some recyclables in, took some stuff to Goodwill, and then we stopped at Home Depot and picked up soil. I have one bed that we could not top off last fall because it still had plants in it, and so I need a couple of bags of soil to top that off. It's a different type of soil than what we had in the fall, but it is the original soil that we bought. So it should be okay. And I'm going to top that bed off. And then that took most of the day. And on Wednesday, we went up to Greenwood. He had some business to do up there. And while we were there, we stopped at Outback's and had our Valentine's dinner. And we stopped at his sister's place and visit her for a while. It's always nice to visit family, and I really enjoyed that visit. She has redone her house. It is so pretty. I really love the way it looks. She's done a great job. And let's see, Thursday the guys from the first plumbing place came and replaced the water tank and my water hydrant out back, which I have missed dearly. I use that thing all the time to water the chickens and to water the cats and to clean the cats' crates and stuff. So I'm hoping that we have good weather tomorrow so I can clean those crates again, the floors of them, because it's been a good 2 weeks since I've been able to do that. And we've had such beautiful weather, but I had no water out there. So we're supposed to get cold weather coming in, so hopefully it will hold off long enough so I can get that done, because they really, really need it. So, and then on Friday I had the day off. We didn't have anything planned, so I tried to get as much as I could done. I had to go and my package from Amazon had come on Wednesday, and I hadn't had a chance to open it. So I opened that, and my other package from Amazon came on Thursday. So Friday I opened those and checked to make sure everything was okay, and finally got that dirt put out into the greenhouse, filled up the bed, and moved the one trellis over. So I got everything in the greenhouse is pretty much ready. I still have a few things to do outside. I want to put a couple trellises up. Have not been able to find the type of trellis I want, so I'm going to have to do it myself. So that's the week that we've had. It's been very, very busy, very productive, and hopefully if you're in my zone, which is zone 6, I hope you've started your peppers and your onions. I did start some onions also. The second group of onions I started those this week also. So hold off on the other things unless you've got a greenhouse. I will start some of my tomatoes this next week that go into the greenhouse, and then in the beginning of March I'll start the ones that go outside. So remember to like, share, subscribe, dream big, follow that dream, and God bless. See you in the next video. Bye, everybody.